Good afternoon. Will you please introduce yourself?
Hi, Madam. I'm Wendy Soriano from province of Cabupual, Nueva Ecija.
How old are you, Wendy?
I'm 24. I'm 24. My parents are Brother Soriano and Emilita Soriano.
So are you single, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You have, did you work as domestic helper?
Here in Philippines, ma'am.
How many years?
2 years, ma'am.
And what's your duties and responsibilities for your previous employer?
Household, cleaning the house, washing the clothes,
And you care, and you,
check.
okay, how old the child?
4 years old.
So why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
To earn a big salary.
Can you take care of your newborn baby?
Yes. I give all needs like diaper and milk.
So what if the baby have sick, what you should do?
I tell
Madam first, okay, to let them know that the baby have sick, right? And
Yes,
we don't have, because we don't have a right permission to give them any medicine.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have patient get along with an elderly person?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
To assist them?
Assist them and give daily needs.
How do you control your homesick?
To make myself busy in work.
Can you promise not to take your vacation and go back Philippines unless you finish for 2 years contract?
Yes.
Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
Yes. I cook the noodles, steamed fish, congee, and fried vegetable.
Okay. So you're not choosy on food, right?
Yes, ma'am.
How do you get along with the young children? You can play with them sometime and teach their lesson.
Yes, ma'am.
And you know how to sing a song?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you sing.
Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little children want to play.
Oh, thanks for that. You have a nice voice, okay? So, it's your time now to say something or impress to your future employer.
To my future employer, I promise that I'll give my best to work you gave me, and I'll be honest for you and your family. I hope so you choose me. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you and hope to see you in Hong Kong.